Hi guys, welcome to today's video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your WhatsApp to your laptop PC. So all you have to do is open a browser. When you open a WhatsApp browser, you type in WhatsApp, and you're going to type in WhatsApp for PC. So here you have desktop, you have option to download it to your PC, but we are going to link it for our browser. So you click on here and it's going to be open. After, it's going to take a while to load. So now, as you can see, it's loading. Steps to login. So it's loading the barcode on the laptop. So after finish loading, all you have to do is open your WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, you click on the right hand side setting. When you click on setting, then you come to link device. Here you are going to see link device. So you have option to link up to 4 devices to your account. Then you click on link device. You're going to unlock your phone. Click on OK. So here, as you can see, scan it. So your WhatsApp will be logged into your laptop PC. So you have to wait a few minutes. To log you into your WhatsApp. As you can see, it has logged me in, and here I have option to write name that I want to show on this. I can write my name and I click save. And now my WhatsApp is now logged in on my PC, which I have option for can see status, can check channel, so can check on tools on your WhatsApp setting, can go for setting here and check your account, can manage your notification right here, can make calls from your loved ones, can allow notification. You click on allow, you click on OK. So whenever message enter, you automatically going to get it on your WhatsApp. So if you find this video, please like and share for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.